You itching to crack open gadgets or tinker with new tech? Electrotechnics is your playground. Let's dive into the world where wires, gears, and creativity collide. Here at Electrotechnics, we're all about breaking things down, literally and figuratively. Want to know how a circuit ticks, what makes a tool special, or how machines come alive? We bring you clear, hands-on guides, clever hacks, and in-depth reviews of the coolest products for hobbyists and DIYers. From building your own gadgets to learning how to repair old favorites, we cover electronics, mechanics, and everything in between. You'll get detailed explanations, step-by-step tutorials, and honest advice, whether you're a seasoned tinkerer or just starting out. So grab your soldering iron, get comfy, and join the Electrotechnics community. Subscribe now and let's power up your passion for making, fixing, and exploring tech. You ever stop to think about how that hot and cold water dispenser in your kitchen or office actually works? I mean, it's basically magic, right? You press one button, you get icy cold water, hit the other, and boom, piping hot, ready for your tea or noodles? But there's some pretty clever science and engineering going on inside. Let's break it down step by step. First off, inside the dispenser, there are two main water tanks, one for cold water and one for hot. When you plug it in, the cold tank uses a device called a thermoelectric cooler, or sometimes even a small compressor, just like your fridge. This chills the water down, usually to around 5 to 10 degrees Celsius, super refreshing. Now for hot water it's a bit different. There's a heating element, kind of like the one inside an electric kettle. When you hit that hot tap, the water in the hot tank is kept at around 85 to 95 degrees Celsius, not quite boiling for safety, but perfect for coffee or instant soup. But how does the water get there? Well, most dispensers use a big refillable bottle or are connected directly to a water line. Gravity, or, in some fancy models, a pump, moves the water into those two tanks. After that, it's all about the switches and sensors. There are thermostats and thermal sensors that make sure the water gets to the right temperature and stays there, so you're not left with lukewarm disappointment. Now let's talk about how these machines are actually made. It starts with the outer shell, usually molded from strong food-safe plastic. The water tanks are made of stainless steel, or tough plastics that can handle hot and cold, plus all the pressure. The heating element is carefully installed and insulated, while the cooling system is set up with heat sinks and fans to keep everything safe and efficient. Then, the electronics, the brains of the operation, go in. That's where the sensors, switches, and sometimes even little circuit boards are added. Once everything's tested, the machine gets assembled, tested again, and shipped out to stores. So next time you fill up your cup, just remember, there's a whole world of clever engineering keeping your water just right, every time. And hey, maybe you'll look at your humble water dispenser with a little more respect. Thanks for watching. Stay hydrated and stay curious.